Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the notification settings in the Amazon Shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the fourth option there, which are 3 lines. And after doing so, you can see in the shop by category section the second option, which are the settings. Press on it, and here you should select the first one, which is notifications. After doing so, you can see that it is subcategorized in 3 ways: the account and shipping, deals and recommendations, and finally the feedback. You can just go on each of these subcategories and just activate or deactivate anything here to your liking. For example, Alexa enabled orders, you just can deactivate that, or if you press on it once again, you can activate it. And you can do the same with all of these other subcategories. You just can go in and activate or deactivate anything that you want. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.